Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 10 video. My name's Ed. In this video I want to show you, it's not something new, but you have the option to enable a sandbox within Windows, and this gives you the ability to test applications before you actually install it on your physical machine. Now that is great because sometimes you install an app and it blue screens the box because it's not compatible, or there's malware in it, for example, whatever the reason, and then you have to reinstall. With the sandbox feature, you are able to test the app first, see what it does, and if you're happy with it, then obviously you can install it. Now you're wondering, how do I enable the Windows Sandbox? So if you click on Start and you type in Control Panel, for example, if you have other ways of getting to it, you can use your shortcuts. And you go to Programs and Features, and you see this option here, Turn Windows Features on or off. If you click that, let's just make this bigger, and you scroll down, you'll see that the sandbox option, obviously because I am running on a virtual machine here, so I cannot enable it, because you see it's actually grayed out. So if you wanted to do that, you would obviously then go and enable it, click OK, and it'll install it, and then you can obviously use the sandbox. So just be aware that if your processor doesn't have the virtualization capabilities, because think about it, it's going to run a virtual machine inside your machine to be able to do the actual testing. So it's a replica of your actual physical machine inside the virtual machine. I can't demo it obviously because I'm on a virtual machine here, but just wanted to show you that this is where you can enable the sandbox, and then obviously you can do your testing. Thank you very much for watching.